Hello guys. We are going to be making slime today. And I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving. And
Yep.
For Jojo.
If you guys did not have a good Thanksgiving, make sure when we put out our
and subscribe.
Yeah,
If you
and
did
when
have a
our-
good Thanksgiving, it will make our day very good.
yes, and if you didn't have a good day, you could go on our website when we put out our merch, and then you could have a good day because we might put slime on our merchandise.
Yeah, and then we got our slime materials.
Yep.
Right here, we got
Okay.
some beads over there if we want.
Yeah, we got some beads.
We got some chopsticks.
So you guys can follow.
Wait. I just have to go get some 2 spoons. I'll be right back, guys. Jojo will be talking here.
Yep. Okay, get plastic spoons. Not regular spoons. Okay, so he's going to get some spoons for us. And so next, what I was going to say was, you guys can follow us if you want to. Don't mind this. This is we just put them in here last time because it was a bit of a big mess. So if you guys want to follow us, you guys can. So we have, So we have these materials that we could use. We have activator. You could get any type of activator for you. You could get any type of activator you want. And me and Tristan are using clear slime. So if you guys could get any kind of slimes that you want. So Tristan's back, okay guys?
2 spoons plastic. Ooh. And we have our Nerf armory right underneath us.
Yeah, we have our Nerf on ours, just in case. Okay, so look guys. So we're gonna put the slimes in these bottles after, okay? So
Well, not
here.
bottles, but they're just eggs, kind
Yeah,
of.
they're like eggs. Here you go. Okay. Okay, so first, what you guys do is, you guys get the glue. Get some glue.
Never glue.
Pour some glue in.
Pour some glue in now. It's not tight. It's not loose. It has to be, I think, a certain glue.
No, it doesn't have to be certain glue. It can be any glue, except the one that's on the sticks.
Yeah, the ones that are on sticks you can't use.
Put it in. Squeeze it.
I know. But that doesn't want to crop boy.
We're ninjas. Good job.
Doesn't want to do a crop. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Don't put them on the sides, because it'll get sticked on the sides, guys. Okay, that's good, Tristan. Now my turn.
And this one makes it.
Tristan has a little bit in his right now because
Because they don't have that much glue right now.
yeah, because we've been making a lot of slime. This is the slimes that we've been making too.
And we got this one.
Yeah.
And we got one that's downstairs, but I don't feel like telling it.
Yeah. Okay. Then next,
Grab the activator.
grab the activator. Activator. Okay. So now Tristan's gonna put 1 drop in his, and then he's gonna mix it.
1 drop.
One drop. Squeeze it. Good job. Now put another one actually.
Alright.
Put 2 drops, guys.
Well,
2 drops of activator. Okay.
3. Should be 3 kind of.
3? Okay.
Because that one just wants.
Wait, 3. Okay, it went down. Put another one. Put 3 drops, guys.
1 big one and 2 small ones, and then you can mix it.
Yep. And then mix it up.
We don't have that much glue, so it's just gonna be a little bit of slime.
Just start mixing, guys.
It already looks like slime.
Yep, it's gonna look like slime, guys, already.
it looks like slime, but I don't think it's gonna be sticky slime. And then you can add some beads if it you want. I don't know. I'm gonna add some beads, but I may actually will.
It's already starting to look like slime, guys. I think I
good.
need a little bit more glue because I didn't put too much.
Same. I need a little bit more. And then we need more activator.
You wait. First, Miguel first.
And then you add a little tiny bit more glue.
Yep. Not too much. Here, go Tristan. Then I gotta put some more activator. Put 2 drops of activator. 1, 2. Yes, I got some more glitter.
You also get some more glitter in the process.
Yeah, we have glitter. We have glitter activator. Glitter.
So it looks like, guys.
Yeah, we want ours to be a little bit sticky. This is what it looks like, guys.
And
Look,
I
I'm
hope
gonna show
that-
you guys.
And also I hope. And make sure that. Wait. I'm just gonna tell them at the end of the video. I'm just gonna go put something away. And then
Okay.
say make sure to say happy birthday to Tristan because it's my birthday in the comments. Okay?
Okay.
Guys, I'll be right back.
Guys, did you know? It's almost Tristan's birthday, so we're gonna make a video on his birthday day, and then we're going to have a party. And guys, put happy birthday in the comments, okay? Oh, he's coming back. Hey, Tris,
I'm back.
And then if it feels good, if it looks good for you guys could start touching it. If it looks good. Oh, it's a bit sticky still.
You just have to play with it, that, and then it won't become that sticky.
Yeah, just gotta play with it.
Yeah. Sound. We don't have bowls right now, so we're gonna have to use cups. That's why.
Yeah, we have our.
We wanted a good bit more and more slime, but it didn't work. So guys, I will be posting this on my channel. I will be posting this on my channel. Whoa.
We're gonna be posting more videos too.
It's sticky. You see that?
Whoa! I think I need some more activator. This one. I don't see you after that. Oh, you have to see one out with me. Oh, I think I put too much activator, guys. It's fine. Did you guys put a little bit too much activator
You're
on
just
it?
gonna have to put the same amount of glue in it too.
Yeah.
So it's not that sticky and your parents won't yell at you just like mine will.
Yeah.
I need a little bit more.
Whoa.
But we will be doing art videos too if you want. Comment down below what video do you think that we should do next, and we'll look in the comments and we'll try to respond to all your comments.
Yeah. And
at the end
You
of
guys
the video, if we get 100 likes, if you get 100 likes, then we'll show you our Nerf armory.
Yep. And we'll show you.
Our Hot Wheel collection.
Yep. We have a huge Hot Wheel collection.
Then if it doesn't get the likes at the end of the video, then we'll
Make
show
a video.
you already.
Yeah, we don't want to feel bad for you guys.
Whoa, sticky. Sticky. Keep on looking. Wow. It's just a little bit liquid, so that means you need a little bit more activator. We have glitter activator here.
Yeah.
We were gonna do a different type of activator, but you don't have to use dye. You just have to use different types of glue if you want. And just to give you a hint, I'm gonna grab one of my Nerf guns and I'm gonna just show you a tiny one.
Yeah.
See, no, that's not enough.
Oh, we'll show you a new one that we have.
This one.
Oh yeah, we have 2 new ones.
3 actually.
Actually 3. I forgot
I'm
about
4.
this.
We have X-Shot, extremely accurate.
Yep.
And I want to say shout out to Nerf Super Blast, a game where you can play with your friends and you can like play and have fun with your friends. And
I give you guys a shout out to
Monster Legend.
Woo! And another shout out to what's it called again?
I forgot. Fortnite.
No, not Fortnite.
No. I forgot what it's called. Alright, let's tell you
Wait.
video.
Fall Guys.
Fall Guys. Shout out to Fall Guys.
Woohoo!
And Stumble Guys.
Yep.
We got these customized.
Come on, Tristan. Let's just get back to work.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. What? I'm back. Hello.
So you don't know where our armory is, but take a hint. It's somewhere in this room.
Yep.
I'll give you 2 hints.
This is our armory room.
Behind us, or it's below us.
One of those.
Guys, you want to see this?
Okay, guys, we can start touching. Guys, we can start touching now. Okay,
It's still just a little bit watery.
Mine isn't.
You can mix however you like as soon as it's ready, though.
But if it's too hard, do not mix anymore.
Yeah, because then you can't really play it.
Yeah.
This is sticky slime. Yeah, this is actually sticky slime.
Not mine. I think you put a little bit too much
Glue.
I think you put too much glue, maybe. Oh, maybe you could put more activator.
Yo, Shaq.
Hello, guys.
If it becomes too sticky, you put some more activator.
I'm already playing with mine, guys.
Ready, shot!
No!
Who dares me to karate chop Jojo's?
No!
Alright.
No! No, you took some of mine. And if yours gets stuck in your on your hand, you guys can just go like this. Look, you just gotta hold it very tight and then go like this. Like that. If you guys don't know how to play with slime,
Hey, they do. You can just do whatever.
smells good.
Mine feels so.
You want me to mix it for you?
No. I'm trying to get it out.
I took it out with my hands.
Yeah, maybe a better way.
This looks so good, guys. You just gotta play with it if it's sticky, guys. You feel yours. It's a bit wet. Just keep on mixing.
Yeah, I gotta mix this more. Oh gosh.
What?
Up.
Do you need more glue in that?
No, up. What do you say? Guys, this is meant to be messy, so don't.
Don't be worried.
It will come off very easily.
Yeah.
All I have to do is just wash your hands.
Yep, we're just going to do it.
Because I just
Touched it.
touched it and it got on me.
You laugh, guys. So, make sure you guys comment down below. Happy birthday, Tristan, okay, guys? Make sure you guys comment down. Oh, he's back. Hey, guys. Hey, Tristan. Go ahead. I was just telling them, make sure they like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, ring the bell.
Alright. Gotta get all this down here.
And guys, did you know I know how to make a cool bubbles? Very cool bubbles.
We will be playing with these slimes too.
Yeah, we'll show you how to play with them too right now after we're done. I think I need some more
Activator.
glue and activator together.
Come on, slime, get down there.
Please inside of me.
It looks like putty.
It does, guys. It looks like putty, guys. If your parents don't like it, just
You can always make it somewhere else.
yeah.
Well, our parents usually say to make it outside, but we're not like it. But this is our area now.
Yeah, we have our own office area. Like we have like our own we have
Monitor.
a monitor. Those are our cameras. That's our cameras for the house. So we always watch the cameras, but the cameras are not on right now.
Well, guys, I'm playing with my slime. Just not that much. Yeah. Look, guys, here's mine. And you could put some beads in it, but while you're mixing it, all you do is just drop a bead in it.
Yep.
That rhymes.
Got too much activator, that's why, guys.
Put too much glue. It's kind of sticky.
And guys, please tell your friends, if you guys have friends, please tell them to like, subscribe,
Share this video.
Yep, to let them watch this video because I forgot to tell you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. If the red button is red, make it great, and that's the way.
Make it great, and that would make our day.
Uh-oh. Look at you guys.
Who didn't subscribe?
Yeah,
Yeah, they subscribed!
Yoo-hoo!
But it would really help us out, actually.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta pick up my slime now.
Alright, guys, we're gonna put it in these little containers.
Yep.
Now.
Put them in
Just got stuck a little. Unfortunately, you will have to wash your hands.
now. Yeah, you will.
Unfortunately. Yep, I'll be right back. I have to go wash my hands again.
Okay, guys, make sure you guys do it, okay? If you guys don't, just like and subscribe and watch our videos, okay? Okay, guys.
Back. Time to take these out since we promised I will show you.
Yep.
What the fuck?
I love this slime that we just made, guys.
Ah,
Very cool.
it's the shape of the container. It's the shape of the container. I'll be right back, guys. I just have to get a tissue.
Guys, make sure you guys do it, okay? If you guys don't, I'll be very sad. That's disrespectful. Very. Okay. He's back. That would be very disrespectful, guys.
What?
If they don't like, subscribe. That's.
Not disrespectful, but okay. Alright. Just make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
So this is how you put bubbles. So first you gotta squash it down. We're gonna try to show you guys in midair, kinda. Because you can't really turn the camera down right now. I got stuck.
I'm inside of you, please inside of me. I'm inside of the house. I'll be your for 1 minute easily. I'm inside of you.
What? My thing broke, so I have to put it back together. Got to hear it? So this is a really cool trick. So, but I don't know if you guys can hear this, but just know this is so satisfying. Or you guys could pause the video if we're going too fast, and then
Yeah, people always say we talk too fast.
no, we go too fast.
Yeah, we go too fast and we talk too fast.
No, we don't.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you do.
I talk too fast.
Yeah, I talk too fast in public, but not at home. Woohoo! And then that's how you can play your new slide. Like Jojo's just getting the rest. I'm just gonna start ending the video. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down on the notification bell.
Yep.
Comment. Well, you don't have to comment, but subscribe. Oh, don't mind the background noise though. It's just something.
It's our machine. Downstairs, our washing machine, it's broken because it's making a lot of noises.
No, it's broken because it keeps on locking or closing.
True, it keeps locking our clothes. And last night, kept making a noise.
Yeah, and we couldn't. And then my mom was doing the washer.
Our mom was keep on doing the wall fixing
And
it.
then it
And
actually
it
just,
broke.
yeah, it just kept on locking it. You had to unlock it. It took like hours.
Yeah, our mom is a hard worker.
The garbage truck just came by.
Again.
Yet again, so here's the last words right now, so
So I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving.
it's where my mind.
Okay, guys.
And see you all next time.
Oh, wait, guys. Did you guys go to the Macy's parade? Did you guys see me?
We had a VIP pass.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys saw us.
And I was on the news and I met this other YouTuber.
Yeah, we met
No, I
three.
Well, I did. Jojo wasn't here.
We met 3, 2, 1. Ryan!
Well,
Ryan, if you're watching this video, please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and ring the bell. Okay, Ryan?
Alright. See you guys next time. Bye.